Testing. Okay, I think it's time for a little repairing or a little maintenance about this motor fan. The wick is this one, capacitor. This is a fan capacitor. It really depends on your microfarad. So microfarad is, so I just bought the new one, so it's the same, 1 microfarad, 1.0 microfarad. Just need to replace this. So I need to cut this wire. It's not really tutorial, just a simple maintenance. So without further ado, let's do this. Just make sure to unplug this wire from the socket first for safety. Unplug this. It's crazy, bros. The tool I need is this one, WD-40, singer oil or post oil, and the capacitor. So the old one will be here, but I will cut this one. Just cut it. This wire and this wire. So the wire goes like this. The right, then insert to here, the right one, and the left one is here. So this is left, this is right. No. This is oh yeah, this is left, this is right. So the new one will be say the same. This is left, this is right. I need to attach the wire like this. Okay, practical. Here goes nothing. So just a simple scissor. Cut this. Yep. Cut like this. Just make sure you don't cut the wrong wire, or you'll be trouble. Yeah. We can use this one. Right and left. This is right, this is left. Use a little bit until we see the copper wire. This might be not sharp enough, so I think I might try with nail clipper. Maybe this works. Nail clipper. Yeah, I see there. You can see the copper there. You can see the copper. This is what I mean. The copper. We need to attach. I need to attach this just like this. Yup. And now it's gone. So you can see this is what I mean. This one attached with this one, so it goes like this. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, the left one is here. This is the left one, this is the left, and this is right. Okay, make sure you remember what you did, otherwise it won't work perfect. Ah man. Midea. Thanks goodness. One, two. This is left. This is left. This is right. Yeah. So, what can we do? We need one more tool. Okay. We will need one more tool named blade tape. Yep. One done, one to go. Let's put this and it might not be the good one, but still, still good. Okay, now we test. If this work, the motor will run. If this not work, motor will not run. So, it might be my fault. Brother, now it goes. My God, if my hand is not magic, if my hand is not magic, it will not work. Okay, I'm sorry for that. So, okay. Black tape, nice, even though it's not perfect. We need to push this one to from 0 to man. Wow, you can see. Ooh. Ooh. Whew, man, it works, brother. So it works. It works. I need to apply the WD-40 to this motor here. Time for work, my WD-40. Oh, just use the same apply. Before you apply the WD-40, make sure to unplug your fan first. Safety, brother, safety. Yeah, it's not a joke. It's not a joke because it could ruin your life. Oh man. Right there beside the shaft. Can I do this? Yeah. This one is to make sure the motor is running very smooth. not just a capacitor, it might be the coil or the shell might be have a dust or something, so we need to apply the WD-40, okay, to make it goes okay, like smooth. Apply a bit more, apply a bit more. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh, I think it's perfect. Okay, yeah, and the last one is we be apply this one, singer oil. So I can, yeah. Okay. Okay. Then we make it to work. Now I need to attach the blade. Sorry, it might not be perfect, but I think the DIY, my DIY is not very good enough, brother. So bear with me. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh man, awesome, baby. It looks right now, brother. I'm so happy it works. Alhamdulillah. 0, 1. This is number 1. Oh man. Oh man. It works, man. It works right now. It's magic. So thank you for watching. This is the first fan. I had 2 fans there that I need to do like this. So we see for the next video. Thanks for watching. It's a simple maintenance, okay? All you need to do is you have this one, single oil, this one WD-40, black tape to attach the capacitor, and the suitable capacitor. This is 1.5. 1.5 is for the second there. 1.5. So I just show you 1.0 capacitor. I might not attach this body because I don't know how to put it back. Sorry, brother. Just let it be. It's still working, alright? Okay, that's all. Thank you.